Hi, I'm Chinmay Patil, and today I'm gonna give you an overview of software project management software named as Clockify. Clockify is basically a time tracking app which is developed by Cake.com, and Clockify is used to keep records of all hours you and your team members have worked on. Using Clockify, we can get to know how long each task will take and then manage the project deadlines and manage all your future projects. We can also manage resources and assign them to their specified tasks and then manage progress of each task. Then let's see how to effectively manage project in Clockify. So you need to just head toward Clockify and then click the first link. Log in using your email address and password. So this is the first page you will get. Here you have all the tabs on your left pane. You'll head to projects. Here you can see different projects you have worked on or you are working on. You can create a project. Let's say the project name is sales project. You can select the client from here, or you can just type a new client. Let's say it's roots, and you can just hit control enter to create the client, and the client will be created. You can give access to public or make it private. So this template tab is basically a duplicate of your previous project. If you are creating a project same as previous project, all the settings will be copied even when you select that project. I'll just hit create. So here the names of project, names of clients will you will see, and the track time you have worked on the project, amount spent, like the expenses spent on the project, then the progress of project, and you can change the access from here. You can also filter it by active project types, filter it by clients, or filter it by access given to different peoples. But just don't forget to apply the filter. Then you'll need to set up a team. You can add different team members here. Let's add a full member. You need to add email address of them. Just add email address. You can add multiple email address and send an invite mail at a single click. They will get an invite. They'll get an invite mail, and once they hit the mail, they'll you'll see them join here. You can also create a group. Let's create a sales group. You can add a group, then assign access to the group using all different team members. So it will be seen here. So next you will see a timesheet, which time is allocated for specific dates. You can select a project to allocate time. Let's say you work on 2 hours for this, 5 hours for this. All the time will get updated when you click the project. Then you'll see a time tracker. You can start tracking the time while you select your project. You just need to click start, and whether the hours are billable, you can click here. When the symbol is not blue, it's non billable. When the symbol is blue, it gets billable. You can also add time manually, like from what hours you have worked, from what time to which time. On the date you can change here. Then calendar is basically uh, time you have allocated for different projects. Maybe it's a day, then in a week you can change here. Then you'll see schedule of different projects. You can add project and see their specified schedule. Then add a team member to see their specified schedule. Then you can add expenses here, whether it's inside the organization or outside the organization, and the expenses will be approved by project manager. And you can see a dashboard where you can see all the time invested in your projects. So let's say here total time is 6 hours. The top project is maintenance, then top client is construction. You can see reports here, the time you spend, the bill you get, and this is descriptive uh, reports. You can filter it by clients, you can filter it by user, then description. Then you can head towards kiosks. Kiosk is basically if your team member is working on external laptop or you are working on a company laptop, you can create a kiosk by entering their name, assign members to the kiosk, then select the project they are working on. Then here you can select a pin, whether if pin you can set up or not, just create it. And this link will you will copy and mail them so you can access this dashboard. Then here you'll get to know the clients and the amount they'll receive in the currency. So this is basically Clockify software overview of a Clockify software. You can also manage alerts. You can create alerts, or whether just add this alert. Then if your project or task reaches, let's say 90% of budget, then your project manager will be notified or your project members will be notified. You can edit them here. So this was an overview of a Clockify software. Thank you.